Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And what I have here is a vertical happy planner. I thought I was going to live without it, but I ended up ordering a classic size. I did have a big size, and I kind of missed it, so I brought it back in. I ordered it and it just came. It came yesterday. And I did get this from Amazon. And I'm not thrilled with it, but it's the only vertical one they had. So I may change this out with something else that I have, one of my older planners. And it starts in July. That's what I needed. But I'm going to plan a week ahead. Today's the 17th. Where is my 17th? Oh, it's probably on here. Yeah, it's on here. So I'm going to plan today for next week. And what I'm going to do is I'm bringing in spring things from Cassthetic plants. And the reason I'm bringing this one in is because I want to use the rain one. We've had so much rain, and even today, and we were actually out. This is the afternoon crafting. We were out all morning, and it was raining. We had a couple of downpours, and so I thought I wanted to come on and do next week's spread in the vertical. And this is what I have left with the rain one. It's really pretty, but I just thought it was so apropos. And the boxes, goodness, look at these. Look at how pretty they are. But we've had so many rains, and we live in Pennsylvania, and we were actually in Jersey this morning, and there were a couple of downpours, and they've had a lot of rain. They've had more than what we've had in Pennsylvania, and it's a lot. It is a lot. So this is my plan. I think I'm going to start with this here. And pardon my voice, but I think my allergies have been really, really acting up. We're going to bring in this raincoat. We're going to put it in the sidebar. Oops. Oh, it's going down. It's a little crooked, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. So we're going to bring in this umbrella. So cute. And we're going to do some boots. Oh, I should wipe this out. Let me bring the boots here. I don't know what I'm going to do here. But, I had the big happy planner, and I ran out a couple of weeks ago. And just with my other planning that I have, I'm just a little behind on everything. It doesn't look like it because I pre-plan. So what you see that I've been pre-planning, I've just been all ready to go, but I really haven't been in any of these for about a week. But I didn't think I was going to miss the vertical, but I did. And I think I saw it yet, 2 sheets of these. I'm going to bring these florals. I want to bring these on the bottom because they're so pretty. And right now it's very cloudy, and I do believe that we are having rain this afternoon. But I'll tell you, we were in a couple of downpours this morning, so I really don't want to see that. And what's so sad about it is we had Stella with us, and she has her car seat. She sits on the console in the front, and she was, when those wipers go on, oh my goodness, she just goes crazy, and I think she's just afraid of them. But the wipers go on, and she starts to bark, and then it's like having all your little kids again. She's so afraid of the wipers, even when they're on for a bit. You know, then when you have them on pause and then they come up, oh my goodness, and she just barks and barks. And plus she was tired, and when she's, what happened here? Why am I crooked? Was I always like that? I apologize if I was. I didn't think I was crooked. I thought it was straight. And I do want to bring in, now I do need boxes. These are pretty. I love these Cassthetic plans. So let's see, these are my only two. So what I want to do is, I love these books here. I do want to bring this in for the weekend because I think the forecast had like periodic rain all weekend. I'm going to bring this in anyway. I think we do, but not too sure about that. And I think that's going to look really pretty here. Okay. I think there's rain though. I think everybody's getting some sort of rain. All over the place. So let's see, I like the clouds. I like this box with the clouds. So I think I'm going to bring this over to here. And I love these puddles. But I need to have writing for every day. I don't need lines necessarily. I'm just trying to think what I have here. Do I want to make lines or not? I don't have to. As long as I have boxes. I'm going to make this one different. I'm not going to put lines every day. I'm going to put boxes though. Okay, they're over here, and they're so pretty. And then I'm going to put, look how cute this is. We're going to do this. Now this is a puddle. That's some grasses with a puddle. So let's bring in this box. I'm loving that, and I think I want to bring in another grass over here. So let's bring in this puddle grass. I'm going to go low. Well, I have that box there. Actually, I'm going to go right here, and then I'm going to put a box over there. I want to do them. I do like this, but I want that size. So I'm going to put this one. Oh, that's crooked. Okay, so much better. I like that page with all these things, and I'm just gonna take it out so I don't lose my spot. I think I want to bring these things in and around with the box. Okay, so let's bring I should have had that up there, but you know what? That's okay. I think I'm going to put that over there. I like that big puddle. Let me get a good look at my colors that I have here. Okay, I think this here. Oh, I don't know whether to put this there. I think I'm going to put the puddle right down here. So cute. I do like this here, but it's too big to put in here. See this puddle here? I'm going to bring this puddle here, and I'm going to cut this. I think I'm going to put this puddle over there, and this puddle here, I think I'm going to put it back on here because I'm going to bring a box over here because I need to write, and I don't want to bring lines in, so I think, and I have nothing really small. Okay, so we have that there. Now, do we have I don't want to put flowers up there. I thought I had more clouds. I could put another, I do have more clouds up here. I could put these clouds. Actually, this looks like it was cut from, I think I probably cut this from something. And I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to cut this over there and put these clouds right above here. Ooh, that looks like very nasty weather. Very nasty weather. Now, do I want to put boxes, or do I want to put lines, or do I want to put bullet points? I think I want to stick a couple of bullet points here. Do I? Just because I don't want to have I'm just going to use this. I don't know where I'm just going to put bullet points down here for writing. I don't know where my tweezers are right now. They're probably in and around under something. So I'm just going to put 2 bullet points there, if I can get this off. Okay, and I'm going to put little box. Oh, I really want this size here. Oh, that's too many, that color. So we're going to put you back there. Okay, so let's put blue over there, because I will write in there. And we're going to put you over there. And I'm going to put I wish I had the checklist, but I really don't want to put lines in here. I'm only going to put 2. That's cute. Where'd that go? Oops. It's sticking to me. So this one here, I really don't want to put that color in there. I'm going to put you down here. I like the different colors in here. I think they go so well together. So we're going to put, and these are tiny. These are itty bitties. So we're going to put the light blue here. I wish I had my tweezers. They're probably under the mess over here. Let's move you over. And we're going to do the dark blue on this side. Tweezers would be so much easier. Okay. Okay, I do like the way this is turning out. Now, some of this white spot I will be writing in there. So, let's see, we're going to have to get this, put this back in there. And I think it turned out really nice. And this is how I feel about the weather, because we've had so many puddles and so much rain lately. So anyway, thank you so much for coming along and joining me, and we'll see you next time.